So we're going to do a password change. So on the left-hand side of your screen at the bottom, we're going to go to Settings. We're going to click on My Profile on the left-hand side. On the right, you should see a section that's called Change Password. You're going to enter in your password that is current on your account. Change it to the password or enter in the password that you want to change it to. And make sure that your password is more than 8 characters long, and it has uppercase and lowercase numbers and special characters as well too. Okay, so beneath that, I'm going to confirm it with repeating the same password that I put in right above it. We're going to click Update Password, and then it'll bring you back to your login screen. So now you'll need to log back in to verify that your password took. So we're going to put back in the email address, our business email address, and then the password that we chose to change it to. We're going to click on sign in, and then it will ask you to verify you by entering in the security code. So I will select my phone number since it gave that option to get the phone number and or your email. So I'll click phone number, and I'll click send security code. It'll send me a security code to the phone number that I provided them, which was my business phone number. And then I will enter in the digits that it provided me. And then I'll hit confirm code. And then it'll send me back to the dashboard after logging in.